Hi children, let us see a story about Franklin in the dark. Do you know who is Franklin? Franklin is a turtle. Let us see what is his problem. Franklin could slide down a river bank all by himself. He could count forwards and backwards. He could even zip zippers and button buttons. But Franklin was afraid of small dark places and that was a problem. So he does all these things but he was afraid of dark places. See, this was his shell. Franklin was a turtle. He was afraid of crawling into his small dark shell. So usually the turtles have shell. But this Franklin was afraid of the shell because the shell is dark. And so Franklin the turtle dragged his shell behind him. He won't sit on that shell. Always he used to drag the shell because he is afraid to sit in that shell. Every night mother would take a flashlight and shine into the shell. See, the mother is showing a flashlight into the shell. See, she could say, there is nothing to be afraid of. She always said that. She wasn't afraid of anything, but Franklin was sure that creepy things, slippery things and monsters lived inside his small dark shell. So Franklin was why he was afraid, because he used to think in that dark shell, in his shell, there were very dangerous things like monsters are there in the shell. So Franklin went looking for help. He walked until he met a duck. Excuse me, duck. I am afraid of small dark places and I can't travel inside my shell. Can you help me? So it dragged his shell and it is talking to the duck. It is asking a duck's help. Maybe, quacked the duck. You see, I am afraid of very deep water. Sometimes when nobody is watching, I wear my water wings. Would my water wings help you? So the duck is telling, I am having some water wings. Can you get them? No, said Franklin. I am not afraid of water. So Franklin is not afraid of water. It is only afraid of his shell. So then Franklin walked and walked until he met a lion. Excuse me, lion. I am afraid of my small dark places and I can't crawl inside my shell. Can you help me? Maybe, roared the lion. You see, I am afraid of great loud noises. Sometimes when nobody is looking, I wear my earmuffs. Would my earmuffs help you? No, said Franklin. I am not afraid of great loud noises. So he is not afraid of loud noises, so he doesn't need earmuffs. Next, where did it go? Franklin walked and walked until he met a bird. Excuse me, bird, I am afraid of small dark places and I can't crawl inside my shell. Can you help me? Maybe, chirped the bird. I am afraid of flying so high that I get dizzy and fall to the ground. Sometimes when nobody is looking and I pull my parachute. Would my parachute help you? No, said Franklin. I am not afraid of flying high and getting dizzy. So Franklin doesn't want bird's parachute. Now see, where did it go? So Franklin walked and walked and walked until he met a polar bear. Excuse me, polar bear, I am afraid of small dark places and I can't travel inside my shell. Can you help me? Maybe, growled the bear. You see, I am afraid of freezing on icy cold nights. Sometimes when nobody is looking, I wear my snowsuit to bed. Would my snowsuit help you? No, said Franklin. I am not afraid of freezing on icy cold nights. So, the polar bears snowsuit is not helpful for the turtle. Now Franklin was tired and hungry. So as he is meeting many animals, he was tired and hungry. He walked and walked and walked until he met his mother. Oh Franklin, I was so afraid you were lost. You were afraid? I did not know, mothers, you were afraid, said Franklin. Well, did you find some help? She asked. No, I met a duck who was afraid of deep water. She said. Then I met a lion who was afraid of great loud noises. Said his mother. So she is telling whoever she met. And then I met a bird who was afraid of falling and a polar bear who was afraid of freezing. Oh, she said, they were all afraid of something. Said Franklin. It was getting late. Franklin was very tired and very hungry. They walked and walked until they were home. So she is carrying the shell. She is dragging the shell, the turtle. But did you observe the mother turtle? It is inside the shell. But this turtle, as it was afraid of the shell, it is dragging. It is walking and it is dragging its shell. But the mother bear was not like that. Franklin's mother gave him a cold supper and a warm hug. And then she sent him off to bed. Good night, dear, she said. Well, Franklin knew what he had to do. He crawled right inside his small dark shell. He was sure he saw creepy things, slippery things, and a monster. So he is getting into the shell. But he said a brave good night. But he saw all these things and he went into the shell, and without being afraid, very bravely, he said good night. And then when nobody was looking, Franklin the turtle turned on his night light. So then Franklin, what did she do? It turned on his night light. So this is the night light. Franklin turned it.